In this video, I'm going to share with you some killer tricks that I've been using to grow my YouTube channel from 0 to over 10,000 subscribers. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks that I've currently been using to grow my YouTube channel. And it's been working amazingly because recently I hit 10,000 subscribers just a few days ago, which is amazing. And the really interesting part is that I've only posted around 30 videos and I've still managed to grow my channel up to over 10,000 subscribers, which is almost unheard of because most people with that amount of subscribers have posted like 200, 300 videos or even more. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the tips and tricks that I've used to achieve that many subscribers on YouTube. The first one is choose your niche. So there's so many people that are joining YouTube and they're trying to jump on the bandwagon of like these big YouTubers that follow their life and they don't really post anything important, they're just following their lives. People are trying to go down that route. But if you want to grow a YouTube channel now, I highly recommend that you focus on one subject, like one niche. That's kind of what I've done with my channel. So my channel is following my journey, but it's all about making money online. And I think that works really well because now my channel is kind of becoming a go-to place where people find information about making money online and things like that. Whereas if you try to be too generic, I think it's just too hard to stand out. So I would definitely focus on a niche. So find a subject that you're passionate about, and rather than try and be like the jack of all trades, focus on that subject and create videos about that. So mine's about making money online. But you could even go into it like deeper, like just focus on affiliate marketing and do videos about that because that is what people are searching for and that's a really good subject for a channel. But it could be about fitness, it could be about anything you're interested in, but really focus on that subject and then try and become like the leader in that niche. And I think that's a really good tip. And another really good tip, which is kind of related to that, is have your niche or something related to the subject of your channel in your channel name. So mine's Making a Millionaire, so people can see that it's about my journey, it's about making money online. And a lot of people are joining YouTube now and they're kind of hearing that you need to build a personal brand. So they're creating YouTube channels and just putting their name as the title, like John Richardson. But that doesn't allow you to stand out. And I'm going to talk about a little bit later about comments and how you can actually get a lot of subscribers by jumping in the comment section. But if you've just got a generic name, like your first and last name, it doesn't really stand out. Whereas if you've got your niche or subject in the title, people can see what your channel's about instantly and that makes them want to click. And then later on, there's no reason why you can't then go back and then change your channel name to your name. But I think you should build the brand first, build the channel first, which is what I'm doing. So mine's Making a Millionaire. I'm going to build that up and then in the future, I probably will change it to Liam James K, but I'm going to use the channel to build my brand first and then add my name because a lot of people are trying to use their name to build their brand, which doesn't really work because no one knows who they are. So yeah, I would definitely add your niche or subject of your channel in the title or something related to it. The next tip, which has been so important for the growth of my channel, and that is follow a journey. Because my channel, as you know, is Making a Millionaire. And the reason that works so well is because it gives people a reason to subscribe. Because they want to find out whether I'm going to make it or not. So even if they're not really interested or that they don't think I'm going to make it or whatever, they still want to subscribe to make sure they're getting updates so they can keep updated with how it's going. And I think some kind of journey, something that people have got to follow, works really, really well. So it could be a fitness journey. So the channel could be based around your journey to lose weight or to put on muscle in time for a competition which is taking place next year. And you could be following that journey, but then along that, you don't just have to create videos about like vlog style. You could be providing value about fitness products, about workout routines and things like that and create a whole channel around that. But you're going to get a lot more subscribers because people actually want to see whether you're going to make it at the end. So I think that works really well, and I think that's one of the keys to why my channel is growing a lot quicker than other people's channels in my niche. But it doesn't necessarily have to be a whole channel around the journey. If you do want to create a channel, say around affiliate marketing, and it's not necessarily a journey that you're on, you could say set yourself challenges. So you could set like a series inside your channel where you're going to say, I'm going to try and make $1,000 in the next week, follow me. I'm going to post a video each day, and then if someone sees your first video, it gives them a reason to subscribe so they can see the rest of the videos. And that's what it's all about, building your subscribers with a journey, rather than trying to post a video per day, because then what that kind of does, it dilutes the quality of your videos, because then you start to spread one subject across 10 different videos. I'd rather have 1 or 2 killer videos that are kind of going viral in my niche, that are at the top of the search section, rather than have loads of little videos that are getting like 500 views. So my thought process is create really high quality killer videos, and that obviously means that you spend less time recording videos, because there's people in my niche that have recorded 300 videos or more, and they've got a similar amount of subscribers or even less, and I've recorded 30 videos in the same amount of time and I've still got a similar amount of subscribers. So it requires less work. You're not on a camera every day, but also you're providing good quality content. So I would definitely focus on providing high quality, consistent content, rather than just trying to get a video out every day. The next tip that I've got is engage with everyone. So even if you've posted your first video, and I'm going to show you how you can get loads of views and subscribers on that in a minute, but you've posted your first video and you've got 5 views, 1 person's commented, you should jump straight on that, reply to that person, answer any questions they've got, really engage with them. And you should do this every time someone comments on your video, even if they're not asking a question, reply back to them, because that boosts engagement around your videos. So you'll have loads of comments underneath. But also, if people do ask questions, they know that they can get an answer from you. So that's kind of the thing that I've been doing with my channel, is I'm posting videos teaching things, but then you obviously get a lot of questions in the comment section. So I always make sure after I've uploaded a video, I always block out some time to go through all of the questions, answer those questions the best I can, and give advice and things like that. Because and then what that does, it kind of creates a bit of a hub or a bit of a forum. So your channel is not just a place to watch videos. People can come and get advice and ask questions, and that means they're going to keep coming back to your channel, and it just helps to build your brand and your personal brand. So yeah, make sure you're in the comment section replying to everyone, thanking people if they give a compliment, things like that, because that really does help build your channel and keep people subscribed. And my final tip for this video is hijack the comment section of other big YouTubers in your niche. So I've mentioned this before in a previous video, but basically this worked amazingly for me at the start. I got like 250 subscribers, I think it was, in my first day of posting my first video, because of this method. And all it is what you do is you find people in your niche. So my videos are about making money online, so I find entrepreneurs like Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone, people like that. You turn on the you subscribe to their channel and turn on the bell notifications, and then as soon as they drop a video, as soon as they post a video, you want to be on alert. You go straight to their channel, you want to post a comment under their video, giving them a massive compliment, but also letting people know that you've created your channel, and kind of say that they've inspired you to build your own channel based on a similar subject or something like that. And then what you'll see there is you'll get a lot of people go to the comment section, they'll see your comment at the top, they'll give it a like, and it means it'll stay at the top because it's quite a motivational, positive comment. And then what will happen as well, people will come through to your channel and subscribe, and that's why it also helps to have the niche of your channel or the subject of your channel in the title. So then it gets more people clicking through, and then they subscribe. So that really helps boost your subscribers, especially very early on when you're first starting out. So I highly recommend you try that. So that's everything for this video. I hope you found some of them tips and tricks useful. If you apply them, I'm sure your channel will grow, because mine's growing crazy rates, and that's everything I'm doing basically. So yeah, give it a go, let me know how you get on, and if you comment below, I'll give you a quick subscribe as well to help boost your channel. Thanks for watching, cheers guys.